Nosy test on my wife.
What? Who left who at the airport?
What?
No, tell her don't hear me. You left her at the airport? Why? Hold on, slow down. Who attack who? What you can make? Big man thing? That don't make no sense. You know what, me call it back. Alright. But she's okay, right? Alright, cool.
Babe, wait, camera light.
The camera light.
Prank me. Babe, prank me. That's why the camera light on.
I wouldn't let her.
Look how you put your ears. I mean, I said, oh gosh.
My ears touch it.
A prank me.
Are you gonna let me down?